ZIPP I am here. 5 Positive Self-Talk Ways to Improve Quality of Life. Positive self-talk is a technique to help boost confidence and improve mental health. It involves replacing negative thoughts with positive ones, and shifting the focus from worry and anxiety to solutions and problem solving. There are many ways you can practice positive self-talk on a daily basis, and in this article, we will discuss 5 effective ways to help you start your day with positive thoughts. By applying positive self-talk techniques, you can build positive habits and improve your overall well-being. 1. Avoid the trap of negative self-talk. When facing difficult or challenging situations, people can feel doubtful about their abilities. Without realizing it, they tend to give a more dominant portion to negative self-talk. This can hinder one's ability to overcome the challenges faced. Therefore, it is important to avoid getting trapped in negative self-talk and give more space to positive thinking. 2. Listen to feelings. If negative self-talk is dominating your thoughts, take time to pause and reflect. Evaluate why the situation has become negative and look for solutions to change this for the better. The pause will help map out the problem and think more clearly, so that one can be more effective in overcoming the problems faced and achieving their goals. 3. Find the humor aspect. For some people, finding humor in every situation can be difficult, especially when managing high expectations. However, when someone manages to find or create humor from these difficult situations, it shows that the habit of positive self-talk has been successful. If it is difficult to find humor, one can try to divert negative thoughts by finding something funny or fun to see or do. 4. Hang out with positive people. Hanging out with positive people can help one develop positive self-talk. Positive people tend to think optimistically, so one's positive self-talk can be reinforced and supported by their positive outlook. One can also learn from their ways of overcoming problems and challenges in life. This can help one develop confidence and the ability to better deal with difficult situations. 5. Give positive affirmations. Giving positive affirmations is an effective way to reinforce positive self-talk in the mind. One can use inspiring words or images to trigger positive feelings and support positive thoughts. By placing a source of positive affirmations in a frequently visited place, such as your room, desk, or notepad on your phone, you can remind yourself of your positive power source. By turning negative thought patterns into positive ones, and focusing on solutions and problem solving, you can build positive habits and improve your overall mental well-being. Not only does positive self-talk benefit your mental health, but it can also affect your physical health, productivity, and overall quality of life. So start applying these techniques in your daily life and make positive self-talk a positive habit that will lead you to a happier, more successful life.